This clip comes from one of my viewers, John, who many of you will know. We're following this lorry, which as you can see is stuck well into the oncoming lane, and in a moment there's going to be a car coming the other way, and it's quite close this. Some of these country roads aren't designed for vehicles of this size, and it can be a massive problem when you get one coming the other way. But first of all, we've got a crossroads to deal with. And you can just about make out the van across the other side that we're going to have problems with in a sec. The vision does look restricted, and both the lorry driver and John do a good job at crossing the traffic. No issues here. John also does a good job in ensuring he has enough room in the road in front of him. No problems. But even though the lorry's got this far, it looks as though they can fit. They decide they want to reverse back. So where should John go now? Should he reverse back out onto that crossroad? Well no, that would be dangerous with the restricted view. So he picks a good option and quickly works out the best space for him to go is this one on the left. I was concerned the first time I saw this clip of these lorry wheels starting to turn as they are now. Has the lorry driver seen us, and is it going to go into us when it tries to turn? Well, thankfully not, but it is something that you need to be aware of. Be prepared to sound your horn. Looking at the hedge opposite the van, I'm not actually sure when the lorry got that far why they didn't continue. Well, maybe there's a lesson to be learnt in that also. If you're ever in doubt, don't bother. But well done for John as usual, thinking on your feet. Keep safe everyone, I'll see you soon.